Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft 365 admin activity using Purview audit logs step by step clearly. To verify Microsoft 365 admin activity using Purview audit logs, begin by signing into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Once logged in, navigate to the Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal. In the Compliance Portal, locate and click on the Audit option in the left-hand menu. If you don't see the Audit option, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access audit logs. Next, click on Audit Log Search to access the search interface. In the search interface, you will find various filters to customize your search. Select the date range for the activities you want to review. For a more focused search, input specific users or a group of users in the Users field. Scroll down to the Activities section where you'll see a list of available actions. Choose the relevant activities related to admin actions that you want to monitor. After selecting your filters, click on the Search button to initiate the audit log search. The results will populate below the search bar displaying all logged activities. Review the results to find specific entries of interest regarding admin activities. You can expand each entry to view more detailed information about the activity. If needed, export the results by clicking on the Export Results button for documentation or further analysis. Once you have reviewed the necessary activities, you can log out of the compliance portal. This process ensures you stay informed about administrative actions within your Microsoft 365 environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.